This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to control your PlayStation 5 with your phone. So what you want to do is get the PlayStation app on your phone. So you can see right here, I can go to the Google Play Store, get this application, just go to search and type in PlayStation. It's got like 100 million downloads. Now when you sign in with your account, we want to go on over to the bottom, so we're going to be right here. Go on over to the game library, select a game. Now we might have to get another game here, so let's go to the standard edition of Battlefield 6. Now it'll give me the option on here, it says play using PS5 Remote Play. So we can select this and it's starting game on the PS5. So make sure your PS5 is connected to the same wireless internet that you're using. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can see I got Wi-Fi turned on. And I got to turn on my PS5. So my PS5 is currently turned off, but when I use PS5 Remote Play now, it will bring up the actual on-screen controls on my phone where I can play and use my phone as a controller on my PS5. So it makes it very simple to use. So just turn on your PS5 and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.